So good day everyone, I'm Dave F. Abarquez and now I'm discussing about the cosets. So first we have M sub 1, M sub 2 with the N45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 273, 15 with the operation of star, M sub 3, NVUL, LLL, HLRR with the operation of star, M4, M sub 4 with N45, 135, 225, VUL, HUR with the operation of star, M sub 5 with N90, 180 to 70 with the operation of star, M sub 6 NVHLR with the operation of star, M sub 7 NVLRR with the operation of star, M sub 8 N315 with the operation of star, M sub 9 N90 with the operation of star, M sub 10 N45 with the operation of star, M sub 11 NV with the operation of star, M sub 12 NUL with the operation of star, M sub 13 NL with the operation of star, M sub 14 NH with the operation of star. So now we have yung mga binanggit ko kanina, mga proper subgroups sila ng ano natin. Ano yan sa atin? So we have identified the following subgroups since our table is isomorphic to the group M equals to N45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, VUL, LLL, HLR, RUR with the operation of star. It follows that the subgroups in the table corresponds to subgroups of the related permutation group. As we are focusing on cosets, our attention is directed toward the proper subgroups of the table. The list below shows these proper subgroups. So we have the proper subgroups. Papalitan naman natin siya ngayon. Gagawin namin natin siya pa rin. Now, identifying the right and the left cosets of the subgroups of M sub 2, P sub 0. So, pinalitan natin yung mga elements dito kanina. Equals siya dito sa mga elements na to. M sub 2 equals to P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7. M sub 3, P sub 0, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 5, R sub 1, R sub 3, R sub 5, and R sub 7. M sub 4, we have P sub 4, 0, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 6, R sub 2, R sub 4, R 6, R sub 6, and R sub 8. We have M sub 5, P sub 0, P sub 4, R sub 1, and R sub 5. And so on. Identifying the right and the left cosets. So, cosets of the subgroups. So we have M sub 2 is equals to P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, and P sub 7. So now we do the left cosets. So P sub 0 equals to M sub 2 equals to P sub 0. P sub 0 star P sub 0 is equals to P sub 0. P sub 0 is equals to star to P sub 1. Multiply by P sub 1 equals to P sub 1. So pag pinag-multiply mo itong sa P sub 0 sa mga to, ang magiging sagot niya is P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 6, P sub 7, and P sub 7. And that's all. So P sub 1 and M sub 2. Multiply mo siya. P sub 1 multiply by P sub 0. I-multiply mo ulit yung P sub 1 sa lahat ng mga elements na to sa P sub 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ang magiging sagot is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0. So next we have P sub 2 and M sub 2. So we have so multiply natin P sub 2 sa lahat ng elements na to. So we have P sub 2, ang sagot is P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, P sub 8, P sub 0, and P sub 1. So next, multiply naman natin yung P sub 3 sa lahat ng element na to. Ang sagot is P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, P sub 8, P sub 0, P sub 1, and P sub 2. So next, we have P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, and R sub 1. So ganun lang gagawin mo pag multiply mo lang to. Sa R sub 1, P sub 0, P sub, multiply mo siya dito, makuha natin sagot is R sub 3, R sub 7, R sub 5, R sub 6, R sub 3, R sub 4, R sub 3, R sub 2. So lahat ng elements, pwede tayong tumigil dito. Kasi lahat ng elements, lahat na ng elements nakuha na natin sagot. Lahat ng elements dito ay napalabas na natin siya dito sa mga sagot natin. Kaya pwede tayong tumigil sa R sub 1 multiply by M sub 2. So next we have the right cosets naman. So ganun din naman, pero this time, sa kabila naman, mauuna naman itong mga elements tapos sa ipag-multiply natin. For example, M sub 2 multiply by P sub 1. So P sub 0 multiply by P sub 1. Mauuna yung P sub 0 bago yung P sub 1. Sa left cosets kasi, nauna yung P sub 1, P sub 0, dito siya sa left. So this time, mapupunta naman siya sa right, kaya tinawag siyang right coset. So yung sagot is P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, and P sub 0. So itong mga to, multiply mo siya sa P sub 2, ang sagot is P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 6, P sub 7, P sub 0, and P sub 1. So P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6. Ang mga sagot nila is ito. So now, dito naman tayo sa M sub 2 and multiply by R sub 1. So we have P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, multiply by R sub 1. So ang sagot R sub 1, R sub 2, R sub 3, R sub 4, R sub 5, R sub 6, R sub 7, and R sub 8. Parang kanina lang, pwede tayo tumigil dito kasi lahat ng elements is naipakita na natin dito. Kaya pwede na tayong mag-stop. So the left and the right cosets are now not the same, which means the subgroup is not normal subgroup. Factor group. So the factor group naman natin, since the subgroup is not normal, a factor group cannot be formed. So its order does not exist. So we have index. There are two right cosets, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, P sub 7, and P sub 0. R sub 1, R sub 2, R sub 3, R sub 4, R sub 5, R sub 6, R sub 7, and R sub 0. So sa element order in the groups, we have M sub 2. So P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6, and P sub 7 with the operation of stores. So sa P sub 0, we have one order. So sa P sub 1 hanggang P sub 7, each order have order 2. So next, we have M sub 3, ang laman ng M sub 3 is P sub 0, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 6, R sub 1, R sub 3, R sub 5, and R sub 7. So left cosets tayo. Gagawin lang din natin ulit yung kanina. Ipag-multiply natin si R sub 1, kay P sub 2, P sub 4, 2, P sub 0, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 6, and go on. And ang makuha natin sagot is P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 5, P sub 7, and sub. Ito ang mga makukuha nating sagot sa mga sa left cosets. So now we will go to the right cos. Left, kasi ito naman sa right. Ano lang din, sa kabila mo naman siya ipag-multiply. So sa right cosets, we have M sub 3 multiply by P sub 1, M sub 3 multiply by P sub 2. Ang mga sagot is P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 5, P sub 7, M sub 8, M sub 2, M sub 4, M sub 6, P sub 2, P sub 4, P sub 6, P sub 0, M sub 1, M sub 1, M sub 3, M sub 5. So, since the left and the right cosets, hindi na naman sila the same, are different, the subgroup is not considered normal. So, pag di kasi same yung left tsaka right cosets, hindi siya normal. So, factor group order, because the subgroup is not normal, a group factor group can't be formed. So, its order is undefined. Index, there are two distinct right cosets, P sub 1, and ito yung distinct cosets niya. The order elements in the group is P sub 0, P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, P sub 4, P sub 5, P sub 6. P sub 0 and P sub 4 has the order of 1. P sub 1 to each have order of 2. So M sub 4, we have M sub 4, the left and the right are not equal also, so that it's not normal factor group, does not exist order of the element. P sub 0, ay isa siyang order sa P sub 2, P sub 4, R sub 1, R sub 4, R sub 6, R sub 8. Merong dalawang order. So next we have the M sub 5. Cosets are na sa left and the right cosets, di na naman sila equal. We have 4 cosets, order of elements. We have M sub 5 equals to P sub 4, P sub 0, P sub 4, R sub 1, R sub 2. P sub 0, we have 1 order. P sub 4, R sub 1, and R sub 5, we have 2 order. So next sa M sub 6, the cosets are not equal, therefore it's not normal. Di na naman equal sa M sub 6, and we have 4 cosets, and the order of the elements are P sub 0 equals to 1, P sub 4, R sub 3, R sub 7 equals to 2 orders. Sa M sub 7, hindi na naman cosets are not equal, so that is not normal. And we have 4 cosets, and the order of elements are P sub 0 equals to P sub 4, R sub equals to 1. One order lang yung P sub 0, P sub 4, R sub 2, R sub 6 is equals to 2 order. So for the last is M sub 8. Ito sa M sub 8, ito lang yung kaisa-isang nag-equal. Left and right cosets are equal, so that the group is normal. The order of group is 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. So index, we have R sub 8 equals to P sub 4, P sub R sub 4. So P sub 0 equals to 1, P sub 4 equals to 2. So sa M sub 9, M sub 10, M sub 11, M sub 12, M sub 13, and M sub 14, since all these cosets are not equal, so that itong mga cosets na to hindi sila equal, so that this is not normal. Sa M sub 9, ang index niya, P sub 0 merong 2, merong 1, sa R sub 1 merong 2, sa M sub 10, index niya P sub 0 merong 1, sa R sub 3 merong 2, sa M sub 11, index niya P sub 0 equals to 1, sa R sub 7 merong 2, M sub 12 sa index niya merong P sub 0 equals to 1, sa R sub 5 merong 2, sa M sub 13 sa P sub 0 niya isa lang ulit, sa R sub 6 dalawa, sa M sub 14 index niya merong isang sa P sub 0 merong order of 1, sa R sub 2 merong order of 2. And that's all for my final project 6.